Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to start off 2025 with the Scrap Room kits. So this is our flavors of the month. It comes out every month with 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. We also have 3 add-ons that coordinate with it, so you can make it even bigger. You can add cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. I'll have links to those at the end that you can watch. Also with your kits, you have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that are design team designs for you, and they include their cutting and assembly instructions as well as a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also have access to this free exclusive cut file just for our subscribers. These are designed exclusively for the Scrap Room by Cut to You, and this month is this very sweet Home Sweet Home title with the florals. Just gorgeous, and it'll go so well with pretty much all of these collections. You'll also get a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up when you're unboxing your kits or when you start to create with it. So be sure to grab all of those freebies along with your kit. This month we're featuring Photo Play Beautiful Junk, another collection, Yeti for Winter from Photo Play Paper. I just adore this collection. We have Echo Park Family, and we have Simple Stories Front Porch. So you can see a wide variety of collections here, so perfect to start off your 2025 year creating. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. Starting with Echo Park, this is the family collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of cream cardstock. Your pattern papers are this beautiful background with the grid and the frame with florals on the diagonal. The back is a burgundy kind of 2-toned floral print. This paper is called Sweet Memories. We have a larger floral bouquet. The back is this pink print design. This is called Good Times Bunches. Then we have this golden floral on the black that's just so striking. It goes so well with the pink too. I love the colors in this collection. The back is the gold with a grid design. This is called Together Stems. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you'll get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped border with a hole. Let me see if I can punch this out so you can really see what it does. Well, the little holes are going to stay. There we go. So we have the little scalloped with the holes, green border, large family title, banners, and then smaller subtitles that you could use in the beautiful icons. This is a great collection to document heritage photos or family photos, just relationships. It's just a gorgeous collection. So this is Family from Echo Park. Our next collection is Yeti for Winter from Photo Play Paper, and I adore this. I love the colors. I'm a fan of the Abominable Snowman, Brumley. So this is just so cute. I can't wait to use it. You're going to start with 2 sheets of graphite cardstock. This paper, Hot Cocoa, which is all the hot cocoa mugs on the red. The back is this gorgeous plaid and the blues. I love this. Then we have this paper, Snowflakes, which is in the blue as well. And this back, that's a geometric design in that same blue. This paper called Trees, which I love this. It's kind of like a stripe. It has the wintertime title going up with the trees. It's just so fun. The back is another blue 2-toned polka dot. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, everyone will get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have all of these larger word labels. Usually they're kind of quite small. I love this that they're bigger. Some titles. We have this sweater print border sticker. So many of these little cute little Yetis. So adorable. So that is Yeti for Winter from Photo Play Paper. Our next collection is Beautiful Junk from Photo Play Paper. This is another beautiful collection, soft florals, very feminine. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of cream puff cardstock. Your paper is this one with the beautiful florals on that kind of sagey green. This is called Letters. The back is this awesome background paper with all of the letters stacked on top of each other. I have another floral print. This reminds me of an antique wallpaper. This is called Flea Market. In the back, you have all of these tags that you can fussy cut out and embellish with, or it could also be a great background page that you could build upon. That paper is called Flea Market. I think I said that. This paper is The Good Life, which is a book print with florals over the top. The back is another page that could be used as a background. It has two different prints here, some embellishing florals, and then this large piece that could be used for your embellishment and set your title on it, add some photos, and it would be good. So pretty. One more look. Pattern paper there. Your embellishments will vary on this kit. So you're going to get one of the Doodlebug doilies. You're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces, so these will definitely vary. And then you get some of the butterflies. These are gorgeous, has little gold beads. So again, this is beautiful junk from photoplay paper. Our final collection is Front Porch by Simple Stories. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, called Simple Things, is a text print, has a label up here, beautiful floral, so another perfect background. The back is a floral print, pink on red. We have this gorgeous floral bouquet here. This paper is called My Favorite, and a beautiful wood grain on the back. It's so hard to choose between florals and wood grains. This paper is called So Blessed, and it has all of these border doily strips, so you could cut them apart or keep some together and make a larger border. It'd be super cute. The back is a white polka dot on navy. So one more look at the pattern paper. Your embellishments on this kit will vary as well. So you're going to get some of the foam phrases. This is the one that I got. You're going to get some enamel dots. And you're also going to get some of the floral and journal bits. So again, all of those will vary, but you get a great little sample to work on your projects. So that is Front Porch from Simple Stories. One more look at your flavors of the month. Don't forget to check out the store. There's lots of individual items. There's some past kits. If you've missed those, you can grab, as well as the 3 add-ons that have the video reveals linked here. We want to thank you so much for joining us in 2025, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits this year.